Good morning everyone, this is Bhargava. So where I am at is the Bolli Ayyappa temple at Maitadi, Kodagu. The reason we are here is for the Silver Jubilee marriage celebration of my Chikappa and Chikama. And what I like most about this area is the greenery. Whichever direction you go in Kodagu, it's properly scenic. Everywhere you go, you feel like you want to stop and take a photo or do a video or fly the drone. So if there's no rain and the weather holds and I get good lighting, I'll try and make some more cinematics. So we just finished the first visit of the day. It was the Bhadrakali temple. Beautiful place. It was so calm, not many people around, or rather there was no one around other than us. Beautiful place. We visited our elders' place near the temple where we had a great coffee, shared a good conversation and took a stroll around their beautiful garden. We then prepared to head for the next location, and I honestly had no idea where we were going. I left it to my cousins who live in Kodagu and told them surprise me, take me to some great locations. Honestly, around Kodagu you are spoiled for choice. You have to manage time as we go because by afternoon we'll be leaving to Udupi after some light lunch. So we cannot spend too much time in each location, so let's see where we go next. I'll see you there. But before that, let's see the routes to get to Kodagu from Udupi. You can take the Udupi-Mangalore-Puttur route, which has wide open 4-lane highway with mostly good roads. And if you're traveling by morning, the scenery is not bad either. Although after the sun has risen, you better have sunglasses because it is blinding. As I said, the scenery along Mangaluru route is not bad, but it could be better. And that is why we always take the Udupi, Karkala, Uppinangadi, Puttur route. Roughly 20 kilometers longer than the Mangalore route and horrible roads. But the views, let me show you. beautiful scenery with horrible roads. That's the specialty of this route, and also why most of the people avoid this route. Now we'll move on to the final location of our Kodagu trip, the Nalknad Palace. So we're done with the visits for the day. So first we went to Bhadrakali temple, then we went to Aramane, and finally we went to Ayyappa temple. Now I didn't film anything at Ayyappa temple because I believe there was a naming ceremony going on. There were a lot of people. I didn't want to alarm them by pointing a camera or gimbal or even a drone, and the drone is quite audible. The propellers, they make a lot of noise. So I didn't want to alarm them. I wanted to give them their privacy. But exactly opposite to the Ayyappa temple, there was a fantastic mountainscape. Captured that. Now you might be aware that I haven't posted a video in a while. That's because there's an issue with the drone, particularly the drone battery. So what's happened is that all 3 batteries that come with the drone has swollen up. That might be due to the extreme temperature of the coastal area or extreme moisture. So I'm waiting for the replacements to come. I think it will take another 2 weeks or so. I have videos ready to be posted, but I need to capture some drone shots to show the location properly. So that's the reason why I have been away from YouTube for a while. I'm still traveling though. I'm still traveling, still documenting with my DSLR, my GoPro. It's just that drone footages, I'm not that confident in capturing it, because most of the time I'll be around beaches or temples. I can't afford to lose the drone there. So that's why my videos are taking some time. So that's it for this video. The last 3 days have been pretty amazing. Hope you like this video as well, and if you did like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Doing all this really helps to grow this channel, and if you like and leave a comment, YouTube will actually promote my videos to more audience. Every like and comment is appreciated. Now I think I'll have to sleep for half an hour, get some rest, and then a long drive to Udupi. Yeah, so until next time, see ya.